Makita is known for making tough, reliable tools packed with smart features. In this video, we're showing you some of their coolest tools built for power, efficiency, and versatility. These tools are designed to make your work easier, no matter if you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast. All the products' links are in the description down below. Number 20. Makita Impact Wrench Kit. It is a powerful tool built for tough automotive and industrial jobs. It runs on a 40-volt max brushless motor that delivers strong torque, 810 foot-pounds of torque for breaking tough bolts, and 560 foot-pounds of torque for fastening. With 4-speed settings and 3 auto-stop modes for both directions, it gives you precise control and helps avoid mistakes. Designed for harsh environments, it features special protection against dust and water. A full-speed mode reduces trigger effort, helping you work faster. Thanks to its cordless design, it's easy to move around on any job site. It also comes with 2 high-capacity batteries and a fast charger to keep you going with less downtime. Built for performance, control, and reliability, this tool is ideal for professionals who need serious power with smart, user-friendly features. Number 19. Makita Rebar Cutter. This is a powerful and efficient rebar cutter built for professionals who need clean, spark-free cuts on the job. It runs on an 18-volt battery and can cut through 5/8 of an inch rebar with ease, delivering up to 233 cuts per charge, ideal for remote or off-grid job sites. The 360-degree rotating head allows for flexible use in tight or awkward spaces, while a built-in stopper holds the material steady for accurate 90-degree cuts. A brushless motor improves efficiency, reduces maintenance, and extends tool life. It also features added protection against dust and water, ensuring durability even in rough work environments. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry and handle without giving up cutting power. Quick battery charging helps minimize downtime, making it a smart choice for those who value performance, precision, and portability in one tool. Number 18. Makita Dust Blower. This compact and powerful dust blower is designed for efficient dust and debris removal in various environments like workshops, job sites, and homes. Featuring a brushless motor, it delivers 447 miles per hour air velocity and 39 cubic feet per minute airflow, ensuring quick and effective cleaning. Its compact design is perfect for tight spaces, and the 4 adjustable speeds offer control for different tasks. The blower provides up to 50 minutes of runtime when paired with a 40-volt battery, which is sold separately, reducing the need for frequent recharges. Equipped with 5 interchangeable nozzles, it's versatile for multiple applications, while the filter minimizes dust recirculation. A rubberized grip ensures comfort, and extreme protection technology increases durability in tough conditions. Combining power, portability, and efficiency, this blower is a reliable, high-performance tool for any job. Number 17. Makita Circular Saw. This circular saw is built for high-performance cutting, equipped with a brushless motor that delivers 6,000 RPM for fast and efficient cuts through tough materials. It offers a cutting depth of 2 5/8 inches at 90 degrees and a 56-degree bevel capacity, with positive stops at 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, and 56 degrees for versatile angle adjustments. Weighing just 9.7 pounds, the saw features a lightweight yet durable design with a die-cast magnesium base and blade guard. It also includes dual LED lights for better visibility and an electric brake for quick stopping. The auto-start wireless system allows the saw to communicate with dust extractors, ensuring a cleaner workspace. Combining power, precision, and innovative technology, this saw is perfect for professionals needing efficiency and control for various cutting tasks. Number 16. Makita String Trimmer. This powerful 18-volt cordless string trimmer combines the performance of a 30cc gas trimmer with the benefits of no noise, emissions, or pull-start hassle. Featuring a brushless motor for efficiency and a steel drive shaft to reduce vibration and enhance durability, it's built for long-lasting performance. The 17-inch cutting width increases productivity, while the rapid load bump and feed head allows for quick and easy line replacement. Just align, feed, and twist. With 3 variable speed settings, 4,600, 5,500, and 7,000 RPM, it offers customizable power and runtime. Automatic torque drive technology adjusts the speed for optimal performance or extended runtime. Weighing only 10.1 pounds without the battery, it also features a reverse function for clearing debris and is compatible compatible with a brush cutter blade, adding versatility. Perfect for both professionals and homeowners, it delivers top-tier performance for yard care. Number 15. Makita Finishing Sander. This cordless brushless sheet finishing sander offers versatility and smooth sanding with 3 adjustable speed settings for precise control. It's about 1/16 of an inch of orbit action ensures a swirl-free finish, perfect for professional quality results. The ergonomic design enhances comfort, while optimal motor and battery placement reduces vibration for a more even surface. The quick change clamp allows fast sandpaper swaps, and the efficient dust collection system keeps the workspace clean. Additionally, it supports wireless communication with an optional dust extractor, minimizing mess. Weighing just 4.9 pounds, this lightweight tool delivers strong performance, making sanding easier and more efficient. Combining power, precision, and convenience, it ensures high-quality results in any project, making it ideal for both professionals and DIYers. Number 14. Makita Compact Router. This powerful and compact woodworking tool is designed for precise routing with smooth operation. It features a brushless motor that delivers up to 1.5 horsepower for strong, accurate performance on various materials. A variable speed control dial allows easy adjustments, while electronic speed control keeps the tool steady under load. The soft start function ensures smoother and more controlled routing, while dual LED lights brighten the work area. The ergonomic rubberized grip adds comfort, making extended use more comfortable. For quick and easy depth adjustments, it uses a rack and pinion system and works with standard template guides. Built to withstand tough conditions, it is dust and water resistant, ensuring long-lasting durability. This tool offers reliable performance, making it a great choice for professional and DIY projects. Number 13. Makita Planer. It is designed for high-speed performance. This cordless planer reaches up to 15,000 RPM, ensuring smooth and precise cuts. It can handle surfaces up to a little over 3 inches wide and just over 1/8 of an inch deep in a single pass, with the capability to rabbet 1 inch deep. This makes it ideal for large-scale projects and efficient stock removal. Featuring a precision machined aluminum base, the tool guarantees accuracy, while 3 chamfering grooves add versatility for different edge finishes. A quick depth adjustment knob allows for easy, precise settings. The dust and water-resistant technology enhances its durability in tough environments. For added convenience, it supports wireless operation with compatible dust extractors. Powered by a 40-volt battery, it provides up to 311 feet of planing at about the thickness of a nickel per charge, ensuring extended runtime. Number 12. Makita Vacuum. This versatile vacuum efficiently handles both wet and dry debris with its 3-stage HEPA filtration system, capturing 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. The automatic self-cleaning filter system shakes off dust, ensuring consistent suction and prolonging filter life. Boasting twice the suction power, it provides 173 CFM airflow and a 72.3-inch water lift, making it ideal for extended use. The variable speed control dial allows users to adjust power to suit different tasks. Its motor chamber, made with sound-absorbing materials, operates quietly at 69 decibels, reducing noise. With 360-degree mobility and durable rear casters for better maneuverability, it's perfect for industrial settings. Offering up to 54 minutes of runtime with 2 4-amp-hour batteries, this vacuum combines power, convenience, and reliability for demanding tasks. Number 11. Makita Cordless Concrete Breaker. This cordless concrete breaker brings serious power and comfort to tough jobs. Designed to reduce arm fatigue, it uses vibration-reducing technology so you can work longer with less strain. Built-in lights help you see clearly in low-light conditions, and smart alerts let you know when maintenance is needed. At its core, this tool runs on 2 powerful 40-volt batteries, giving you the freedom to move without cords while maintaining high performance. Whether you're on a construction site or working remotely, it delivers consistent results. It also features wireless connectivity with a dust extractor, helping keep your space clean and breathable. Built to handle rough conditions, it's dust and water resistant, making it a reliable choice for demanding environments. This breaker combines strength, flexibility, and smart features in one rugged tool. Number 10. Makita Pruning Shears. These battery-powered pruning shears make cutting tasks smooth and effortless, reducing hand fatigue often caused by manual tools. The trigger-linked blade system offers precise control, while the electronically adjustable blade opening allows you to cut branches of different sizes easily. The overlapping adjustable blades ensure clean, consistent cuts every time. For easy upkeep, there's an external oil port so you can lubricate the blades without taking anything apart. The compact and well-balanced design includes the battery directly on the tool, improving maneuverability in tight spots. An LED indicator keeps you informed about the tool's status at a glance. Perfect for all pruning jobs, these shears combine convenience, control, and cutting power to make gardening tasks quicker, cleaner, and more comfortable. Number 9. Makita Cordless Fan. This fan offers quiet yet powerful airflow, making it ideal for staying cool at job sites, outdoor gatherings, or workshops. Its 235mm blade ensures strong circulation, and it features automatic 45-degree side-to-side oscillation, along with manual tilting, 90 degrees up and 45 degrees down, so you can easily direct air where it's needed. 3 fan speeds adapt to different comfort levels, and a built-in timer lets you set it to turn off after 1, 2, or 4 hours, conserving battery power. The fan is powered by a compatible battery system for extended cordless use, and a top handle makes it easy to carry and reposition. Combining flexibility, convenience, and efficient cooling in a compact design, this fan is the perfect solution for portable, reliable comfort. Number 8. Makita Air Compressor. Most air compressors are noisy, but this one stands out for its remarkable quietness, allowing you to carry on a conversation while it runs. Despite its low noise, it delivers strong performance, driving multiple nails before needing a recharge. It also fills up with air faster than many other compressors, making your work more efficient. What sets it apart is its lightweight design, making it easy to carry without strain. Built tough, it has a protective cage to guard against bumps and impacts. There's no need for oil changes, and checking air pressure is straightforward. This compressor eliminates common frustrations, offering quiet, reliable, and hassle-free operation, perfect for both professional and personal projects. Number 7. Makita Recipro Saw. This high-performance cutting tool features a brushless motor that delivers up to 35% faster cutting speed for quicker results. With a variable 2-speed motor, it operates anywhere from 0 to 2,300 strokes per minute on low and up to 3,000 on high, offering adjustable control for various tasks. Designed for durability, it includes a metal-reinforced gear shaft and self-lubricating slider, ensuring long-term use. The 1 1/4 inch stroke length enhances cutting efficiency, while the refined crank mechanism minimizes blade deflection and vibration for greater precision. An LED light illuminates the work area, and the toolless blade change system makes swapping blades easy. Weighing just 9.9 pounds, it helps reduce operator fatigue. Please note, the battery and charger are sold separately for operation. Number 6. Makita Earth Auger. This powerful cordless earth auger is ideal for landscapers and contractors, offering strong drilling performance with no emissions or engine maintenance. It bores holes up to 8 inches wide and 41 inches deep, matching the torque of a 36cc gas auger, while handling tough soil conditions smoothly. It features 2 speed settings, low gear for maximum power and high gear for faster drilling. The reverse function helps free the bit if it becomes stuck, improving efficiency. Designed with weatherproof construction, it's perfect for fencing, decking, and landscaping projects in all conditions. Weighing just 18.9 pounds, it minimizes fatigue during extended use while delivering high performance. Combining the power of gas augers with cordless convenience, this tool ensures a cleaner, quieter outdoor work environment. Number 5. Makita Barrel Grip Jigsaw. This cordless cutting tool features a unique barrel grip that brings your hand closer to the blade, ensuring better accuracy for intricate cuts in wood, laminate, and plastic. With 3 orbital action settings and a straight mode, it adjusts blade movement based on material thickness, delivering faster and cleaner results. The efficient brushless motor enhances cutting speed by 20% and reduces vibration by 30% compared to previous models, improving comfort during long sessions. hands. Its compact size makes it perfect for tight spaces, making it ideal for construction, cabinetry, and trim work. Part of a cutting-edge 40-volt cordless system, this saw outperforms traditional corded models with advanced technology and exceptional durability. Combining barrel grip control with cordless convenience, it's the ultimate tool for professional woodworkers. Number 4. Makita Paddle Switch Angle Grinder. This high-performance paddle switch angle grinder delivers the power of a corded tool without the hassle of cables, boosting efficiency on job sites. Its brushless motor matches the speed of a 15-amp corded model, offering 30% faster material removal than previous versions. Despite its added power, the grinder features an anti-vibration housing and electric brake to enhance comfort and safety. Multiple paddle switch locations allow for easy control from any grip, while active feedback sensing technology automatically stops the disc if rotation abruptly halts, preventing dangerous kickbacks. Perfect for fabricators, steel workers, and contractors, this grinder combines the freedom of cordless operation with raw cutting power, offering mobility and performance for demanding tasks without the need for cumbersome cords or air hoses. Number 3. Makita Rotary Hammer. This powerful cordless rotary hammer is designed for tough concrete and masonry tasks, delivering impressive drilling and chipping performance. Equipped with a brushless motor, it provides corded level force, capable of boring holes up to 1 inch in diameter or breaking through thick slabs with ease. For enhanced user safety and comfort, it integrates active feedback sensing and anti-vibration technology, reducing kickbacks and fatigue during long sessions. The variable speed trigger allows for precise RPM adjustments based on the bit size and material for efficient operation. With Makita's advanced battery system, this tool offers complete mobility, removing the need for cords or gas compressors. Perfect for general contractors and concrete professionals, it provides a truly portable solution for anchoring, drilling, and demolition, boosting productivity on any job site. Number 2. Makita Heat Guns. These heat guns from Makita are versatile tools designed to speed up drying, heating, and shaping tasks, enhancing both efficiency and precision. Powered by a lithium-ion battery, these guns offer long runtime and can reach a maximum temperature of 550 degrees Fahrenheit, making them ideal for a wide range of applications. With compatibility for various nozzles and an adjustable temperature dial, users can control heat levels based on material needs. The ergonomic grip and responsive trigger provide comfort and easy handling for long periods of use. Perfect for soldering, bending tubes, removing vinyl, and more, these heat guns deliver reliable performance with the convenience of cordless operation, making them a valuable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 1. Makita Portable Cooler. This cordless cooler and warmer box is perfect for keeping drinks and food at the ideal temperature, making it an essential tool for job sites and outdoor activities. Equipped with 2 battery slots, it offers extended runtime, and a USB charging port ensures your other devices stay powered. An LED screen and control buttons provide easy temperature adjustments, while its large capacity accommodates multiple bottles, making it perfect for sharing refreshments with your team. Designed for effortless transport, it includes wheels and a carry handle for smooth maneuverability. Whether for cold drinks or warm snacks, this versatile unit delivers reliable performance and convenience, making it an indispensable tool for both professionals and outdoor enthusiasts. So that's it for now. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.